Want to trade like an insider? I'm about to reveal to you how to copy trade successful traders and manage your trade to maximize your profitability. If you missed part 1 of this video, you are skipping out on a whole lot of alpha. I've covered how you can be able to identify and analyze profitable traders so you can copy trade with an edge. Check within this video and you will find the link that takes you to the previous episode. Now that you're here, let's dive in.
This is one of the traders wallet we got from the previous episode. After analyzing the wallet and following the strategies of finding insider traders or profitable traders, I'm going to copy the wallet, and the next thing I want to do is to go to Telegram. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. All you have to do is to go to Soul Trading Bot. I want to start the bot. So I've currently clicked start, and I'm going to go to Copytrade. I'm going to click on Copytrades, saying select a wallet to Copytrade. I'm going to click on this wallet first because that's the wallet I'll be using. This is more or less like the main wallet to this particular bot. And I'm going to click add wallet. The wallet I'm going to add now is the wallet I want to Copytrade. Now it's saying enter Copytrade wallet name. I'm going to call this wallet name Trader 5. Enter. Good. Now it's saying enter wallet you want to copy trade from. Now I'm going to paste the wallet we copied from the previous episode. Now let's just send. Now the name of this trader is Trader 5. The address to copy is this specific address. Now the copy buy is inactive, copy sell is inactive. So now I want to configure this, and I'm going to click inactive. I want to make it active. Now this is currently active, meaning that if this trader buys any token right now, even right now, as long as there's Solana in this wallet, it will automatically buy without me doing anything. Now I'm going to click this to adjust. Now you can enter any number. Let's say if the trader is buying any amount, you don't care whether he's spending $10 per token or he's spending $500 per token or $10,000 per token. You want to enter the amount you want to trade with anytime he buys any token. So let's say I do 0.25 Solana every single time he buys any token. So that's 0.25 Solana. So you need to configure this to your capital size. And what I recommend in most cases is that if you have $100, let's use $100 as a case study. If the trader trades an average of 10 trades in a day, that's fine. Now you want to divide your capital in such a way that you can trade 5 times. So if I divide $100 by 5, I'm going to get $20. Now that $20, I want to customize that $20 to be able to handle that trader's daily amount of trades. So that would mean that if the trader trades 10 trades in a day, you have to be betting around $2 per trade. Okay, and then you make a variety of that. If you have $1,000, you also use similar configuration, or you have $10,000, and you can also play with what you feel like based on your conviction, based on the trader's performance. You might also say, okay, I want to bet big because this trader, almost all his trade, he has never lost any trade. But always be aware that traders who never lost any trade for a long time, if they lose trades, most time they lose very big. So that's that about that. Now, copy sell. Copy sell is a bit tricky for me. Copy sell means that you are going to sell the moment that trader sells. Okay, which is not bad. But then there's something I love to do, and that's I love copying traders buy, but most times I don't copy their sell for certain reasons. And I usually analyze their wallet to see how long they hold their trades. And I love trader who holds their trades for hours, not just a trader who buys in 1 minute and sells 2 minutes later or 3 minutes later. If you're trading with those kind of traders, you need to be very, very careful, right? I want to be sure that the trader holds trade for um hours or so, because that way it gives me an edge. Now, I turn on the notification of my bot so that whenever any trade is triggered, am aware of it. Once I jump into any trades automatically, I start to monitor the trade. If I make 2x or 3x in that trade, I sell manually from my end and I leave a moon bag. And with a moon bag, I am sure that I'm not going to lose money on that trade. But then if you're very busy, you don't have all of those time and you just want to copy sell the traders all of his transactions, the drawback to it is that if you copy sell most of these traders, anytime they sell big, right? And most times you won't, when they sell and your trade triggers, except they've held the trade for a long while, most times you would lose a lot of profit because they sold before you. These traders, they usually sell with very good profits, and they sell before you. And then if you're making progress with that, you want to um, activate this, and it's currently active, and I can sell anytime that trader sells. Now, but then the amount look at the amount in terms of percentage. How many of your token, what's the portion of your token that is going to sell off anytime the trader sells? So if the trader sells, you are going to sell 30% of your position. Most times I increase this to a minimum of 60 to 70% at least. So I've changed this from 30% to 70%, and then I've also changed this to 0.25%. Now with this, I am good to trade with this trader. If you don't have Solana in your Soul Trading bot, all you have to do is to get your address, your personalized address, and then you send fund into your Soul Trading bot so that you can start automatically trading. But then I've given you the pros and the cons to go about it. So there's a very important settings I need to do. I'll go to settings after clicking start, and then what I want to do is that I want to keep Jito at high rate, and then I select at least 75%. Although it's going to cost you some level of more gas fee, but it's better at this rate. You don't want to do 25%. That's low. Most of your transactions is going to fail, right? But then 75% is fine. I don't use 95. 75% works fine for me. And then there's something I want to do here. Tip sold buy sell and slippage for buy sell. So my tip for buy and sell transactions usually will be around 0.07, because most people use the default for bots. They use 0.003 or 0.005, which is the default settings. But then you want to take it a step further so that your transaction injects faster compared to other traders. Now you want to put that anywhere around 0.008 to like 0.15. So I'm going to click enter, and I'll just increase this to 0.008, which is fine. And my slippage is my buy sell slippage anywhere around the 1200. It's fine for me, 1200, and I'm going to click enter. And then I've sorted out this settings here. This helps me so that I don't get failed transactions, right? And I don't miss out on very big opportunities or good opportunities. Now, another bot I'll be using is a bot that helps me to monitor that specific trader and gives me alert when the trader is actually taking trades. Come here to search and I'll click purple. This is the bot, Ray Purple Wallet Tracker. I'm going to click on that and then I'm going to click start and I'm going to add wallets. Add wallets, and now it's saying wallet address space name. Okay, so I'm going to put the wallet address and I'm going to space and I'm going to write trader 5. Enter. Now wallet trader 5 added successfully. Okay, now I'm going to click this and then I'm going to turn on notification. Now this keeps me on track and make sure that every transaction that this trader is performing, it gives me the alert. I can see all of his transactions, how his transactions are happening, and how I can also take advantages of them. If this trader is also using his wallet to trade on PopFun, I will also know. And if he's trading on various environments too, I'll also know, and I can see his buys, his sells, his receive, and his send. If he's receiving tokens from anywhere, I would know. If he's sending out tokens to any other wallet, I would know. This wallet helps me to have informed decisions about the trader's activity. Okay, this is how you follow insider traders, and this is how you take advantage of their trades without knowing them in person. And all you just have to do is to make money with the opportunities that they are making money from. And this is how you can be able to milk the market and make so much money from degen trading. This is one of the advanced level of trading degen without randomly buying tickers that are going to lose money, that are going to rug, and that are going to make you, regret why you're even participating in the crypto space. If you're new to degen, you're new to meme coins, you've got no idea about how meme coins work, how meme coin traders work, I've got a whole lot of videos related to the topic of discourse, right? You can check around anywhere within this video. I'm going to add a link to that so that you can get started, you can understand how it works, and so you don't lose money um, before getting here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment, drop your feedback. So much. We'll appreciate each and every one of them. Thank you so much. Bye from here.